So you have seen this jerry thread chain, right? So here I am also showing you in this video how we can use the silk thread. Most of the people will teach you use the silk thread in single stanza, but here what I am doing, you should not use single stanza with working silk threads. These are the silk threads which these are available on any of the craft stores or any of the sewing shops, any of the thread store. You can find out online also they are available. You can buy it. Here I am showing you how to use this silk thread. Okay, so here the silk thread will come like this. So it's a very thin. Okay, very thin. While you're making the chain, it will show you very small chain. Okay, it will not be good. So what we are using here, we will take the two stanzas of this thread like this. Okay, here this is the big thread which I am using. It's a single one. I am making the knot with two ends. Now it became two stanzas of the thread, two lines of thread. Okay, the same process how I showed you in this jerry thread. You need to keep the thread at the starting point. You need to keep the thread like this, and this finger, this ring finger and thumb, and you need to pass the thread in between these two fingers, the starting middle one and this finger. Okay, keep the thread downside. It will come like this. Okay, so here the same. See here, 1, 2. See, while you are practicing, try to keep the this Aari needle on 90 degrees so that you will not get the pain on your fingers. Okay, the same process we will do. We'll keep the inside of this cloth, the needle. We'll keep this thread on the hook, and again we will move. Okay, when we are keeping the needle on inside, hook will be on your side. While you are moving the thread, while you are pulling the thread on the upside, your hook will be on your side like this. See, down, and you need to move like this. Okay, and here this, and like this. For all the three threads you need to practice: jerry, silk, and also the normal sewing thread. This also. Why? Because while we are using chumkies, see, we have this also. While we are using this chumky sequence, bead sequence, on that moment we will use the normal sewing thread. So you should practice the chain while you are starting. Okay, as a beginner you need to start with jerry thread so that you will get an idea how the chain will be. After that you need to practice the silk thread, then you need to practice this normal thread. Okay, so three threads you need to practice with this chain so that it will be easy for you to learn the Aari embroidery. Okay, okay guys, so here this is the chain practice. what you need to do, like this. Okay, so here I'll show you the end note in the next video. So at the beginning you need to practice on all shapes, all rounds, circles, and squares, other petals, leaf kind of things, everything you need to practice. Okay.
So here I'm showing you the practiced way. See, this is the cloth which I generally use to practice. So it will give you an idea how you can practice it. See, here I have used all three threads here on circle, box, and squares. And also I have practiced in straight lines. Okay. I just practiced like a vertical and horizontal lines also. And here the circle which I have made with three colors of the three different threads here, which is jerry one, and also the silk thread, and also the normal thread. After that I have practiced with the different kind of shapes, like curves, like a curves and waves, and also some kind of rangoli kind of work I have made with the silk thread, because I have already got an idea how to work with the jerry thread, so I have practiced more about this silk thread, because most of the work we will do with this silk thread only, so we need more practice on silk thread. After that you need to practice, if you want to work with motifs and all, then for go with normal thread. Okay, so and also you have to practice with the three threads, three needles which we have already shown. For beads and jardosi we have different needles, right? For with that needles you need to practice for normal thread. Okay, because we use the motifs on that needles only. Okay, so here for silk thread completely we will use with the normal Aari embroidery thread only. Okay guys, so here I'm giving you an idea with this videos, like you need to practice, and also remember that do not move your stand or frame on while you're working with the stitches. Okay, because while you are working on ari cord, you can you are not able to move the cord in in your way, so you should be practice as it is. If you in the same position, if you keep your frame or stand in one position, then you need to practice on the same position only. You should not move the frame and also the stand. Okay, so guys, this is my advice and tips to you for the beginners, and hope you people have liked and enjoyed this video. Please give a like button, and also share it in your communities and friends. This will be useful for others. And I request the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for more updates on your mail. Thank you so much guys. We'll meet you with the next video of next tutorial. Bye.